Here we go! Happy CPI FOMC day! Tamir from Fibonacci Traders here. Pre-market preparations for June 12. What a day! CPI FOMC day. Rate decision. Who is with me? Say hi. Don't be shy. We have... Oppa, you shut up. Hi, Shy. Thank you very much for joining. We are excited. Are you excited? Say hi. Don't be shy. I'm super excited. We are going to have a super volatile day. I hope your risk management, I hope you have your stop losses in place, because no one knows what will happen next. No one knows. Hi, Chagit. Thank you very much for joining. 1 minute, 20 seconds, and we will see the SPY here, the QQQ here, futures over here. We will see everything going down, going up. Let me know, what are your expectations? All across the board, 3.4%. This is the number of the CPI. Now, let's wait and see. We have 50 seconds more until the CPI. Hi, Zorik. Happy holiday. Happy Shavuot. Say hi. Don't be shy. Who is with me? Click the like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. We have another 30 seconds more. This is how it looks. As you can see, futures are stuck. SPY, Q, including extended hours. This is how it looks. Bitcoin. Let's see the Bitcoin over here. Let's check the Bitcoin for the 15 minutes also. Now we are set to go. Everything is set. Good CPI numbers and the FOMC meeting. No rate hikes. Below 3.4 in my opinion. Here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. CPI is out. Futures are going up. Look at the QQQ. What are we having here, ladies and gentlemen? CPI numbers just came out and the market is going super crazy. Look at this. You see it live. Where market is heading, all you need to do, put the FT on your chart. This is for the SPY. Don't trade the first 15 to 30 minutes. Be super careful, CPI numbers lower than the forecast. Ladies and gentlemen, CPI numbers came in super hot, 3.3%, and we are going to the moon. Which means no rate decision, no rate hike, maybe rate cut. What do you think? Can we get rate cut? Now it's all about the FOMC Fed decision, ladies and gentlemen. Here you have it. This is what happens. SPY already 0.9% to the upside. QQQ 1.12. IWM, look at the IWM. Let's put the IWM here. IWM 2.5% to the upside. Dow Jones 0.7. Bitcoin, look at the Bitcoin. Broke this channel. Now at the 69. Above it 69,900. This is what we are waiting for. This is what we like to see. Spike up. What a day, what a day, ladies and gentlemen. CPI came super strong, 3.3%, where the forecast, expectations all across the board was 3.3%. Super hot, super nice. Let's go back here to the QQQ. This is how it looks. Ladies and gentlemen, now we know that for sure FOMC will not hike the rates. Maybe we are in for a surprise. First rate cut since 2019. First rate cut since 2019. First rate cut might be in today, 2 p.m. Eastern side. So, are we going to stay live until then? For sure not, but we will make a midday market recap. Yep, ladies and gentlemen, CPI colder. Sorry. Colder than expected. 3.3% year-to-year. Expectations were 3.4. Ladies and gentlemen, we are heading to the moon. Let's check. Let's go to the SPY on the daily. This is how it looks. SPY on the daily pre-market. 0.84 to the upside. Now the 536, 537 needs to hold the support. We have this major trend line that will be a very tough resistance. Let's see. For now, bulls are getting everything that they want to stay strong and continue to the upside. This is how it looks on the QQQ. 1% to the upside, 472.90. Pre-market, new all-time highs. The 468 is the support, 481 is the resistance. Dow Jones now inside the yellow zone. Let the FTI calculate itself, but as you can see, FTI now the upper border, the 391 area is the resistance. Where is everybody today? I know where is everybody today. My competitor, my competition. So what else do we have? IWM, 2.2% to the upside. The 205 now is the resistance. 203 is the support. Breaking strong above this slight downtrend. Bitcoin on the daily. This is how it looks. Ethereum on the daily. This is how it looks. Very nice. Now let's see continuation on this pop. And then we will be much more smarter for the rest of the day. So for sure we know that the FOMC will not hike rates, right? Will not increase the rates. But now we might see a rate cut. I don't believe that the FOMC didn't know the CPI numbers until now. I don't believe it, but let's see. Let's see. So once again, Shai, Hagit, Zori, Kliron, thank you very much for joining. Any special requests, any special, just I want to go with you some very interesting names that are on my watch list. First, we have Reddit, RDDT. Look at this. Another daily close above the 60-60, and we can start taking long on this name towards 66 and 73. Domino's Pizza, DPZ now, after bouncing off this trend line, now all I need is continuation above the 529. Put all these names on your watch. Rivian continues to the upside. Next resistance is 12, above it 13.13, and then this gap at the 15.10. What else interesting we have? We have also REGN after a few consecutive days of consolidation with the 986 as resistance. 10.16 is the support. Above it, we will go towards the 10.55 and 1100. We have also MU on my list. Super strong uptrend, few days of consolidation, long above yesterday's highs towards 143 and 153. What else do we have? Eli Lilly continues its uptrend, and as long as Eli Lilly is stuck, I don't know how to say it, glued to this red line, in my opinion, 984 and even 1000 incoming on Eli Lilly. KLA Corporation after few days of consolidation, long above yesterday's highs, and we will see 840 and 892. HPE also, Hewlett Packard. Now let's see continuation above yesterday's highs towards the 22 and 2340. GWRE at the upper border of this broadening formation. Some kind of a pullback to the 130 and maybe even 128 and 125 will be super healthy. Watch closely for this pullback and uptrend continuation, or above yesterday's highs towards the 144 and 154. CrowdStrike continuation to the upside above yesterday's highs. We will see 411, 445. Costco also, after a few days of dojis, some kind of a consolidation. Bullish continuation towards the 888 and 935. Amat, also Applied Materials. Long continuation, look at this. Pre-market already at the 234. Now the 230 needs to hold the support. Above it, we are heading towards the 240 and 253. Many more names in the Discord, and if you follow me on Twitter, you will see many more interesting names. What else do we have? What else can we say about this? Now let's see continuation. This is how it looks. This is the first 5 minutes after the CPI. Now let's see continuation above the 542. Next we will see 545. Zorik, for you. Zillow Group. Look at this. What a nice gap to the upside. Don't chase it. Don't chase it. It's 9% gap. If you're not long yet, don't chase it. Let it cool off. If you're already long, you know what to do. Place your stop. Manage your risk. Overall, looking very good towards continuation 50 and 58, maybe 55 to the upside. Broke this downtrend. Very nice with a gap up. Super careful with this gap up. What else do we have? Anything more interesting? We have Crocs also. Very interesting. Now at the 158. Long continuation above it towards 168 and 181. Bristol Myers Squibb Company broke last Monday, 2 days ago, broke above this downtrend. Now let's see continuation above the 43.40, and then we will see 44.50 and 45.56. Liron wants FSLR. Liron, just for you to know that I am posting each and every day the stock market recap in Hebrew and in English. I will show you every morning around 8 a.m. Israel time, 12 a.m. Eastern time, stock market recap in Hebrew, stock market recap in English. So you're more than welcome to hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos and lives. 2 videos each day, 2 lives each day. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. FSLR was on my morning recap. Look at this. In the past 2 trading days, 10% to the upside. Now let's see continuation above yesterday's highs. This trend line will become a very tough resistance. We can take the FTI a little bit tighter. And as you can see, next resistance is the 324 and 363. Overall, the whole sector, the solar sector, feels super hot, including ENPH. ENPH basically moving sideways. Now with the CPI came ENPH finally, and phase energy finally broke above the 135 area. The 135 area, very tough resistance, now broke up and above. So by default, this area, the 135, 134, needs to hold the support. Next leg up towards the 151 and maybe even 17. First, we have the gap over here, another gap over here. And we know that more than 85-90% of all gaps will get filled. Next is the 150 gap and then 166 gap, as long as we are above the 134. Where to put the stop loss? On First Solar, in my opinion, and it's only my opinion, you have 2 choices. Or below the 283, which was a very tough resistance. You see here, Just put a line. You see, this was a very tough resistance. Breaking below it means it broke support. So, or below this 285 area, or just follow where the FTI tells you to. You have this green label, 267. You choose. It's your risk management. Please do your own due diligence. Now, let's see. We got ourselves a doji. Now let's see where price might take us. This is why I say never trade the first 15 or 30 minutes after CPI reports. Never. So, what else? What else should we talk about? Or we can wrap up this live and we will meet once again 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time and 6:59 Israel Time. Make sure you hit the subscribe, bring family, bring friends, and we will go over the market. Look at the Bitcoin, just boom to the upside. Some kind of a pullback. As long as we are above the 540, we are good for the long continuation towards 545. So make sure to bring friends, bring families, bring friends from other discords, from other channels. Tell them Fibonacci Traders goes live midday market review today before FOMC rate decision will be super interesting. So once again, thank you very much for joining this live. I do appreciate it, each and every one of you. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Ladies and gentlemen, this was a short live, but very helpful. We saw CPI numbers going up. The whole market can now be relaxed for the next leg up. Until the midday market review, stay safe.